Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making chicken stir fry. It's healthy, delicious, and so easy to make. Perfect for any weeknight. Let's get started. I'm using chicken thighs, but white meat would also work because this marinade with dark soy sauce and cornstarch will tenderize the meat. Mix well and leave in the fridge while you prep the veggies. I love using broccoli for stir fry. It adds so much crunch and brightness to the dish. Cut the carrots into thin slices. Same with the bell pepper and onion. Stir fry is a great way to clean out your fridge. I had some Napa cabbage, so I'm adding that too. Which veggies do you like in your stir fry? For the sauce, mix together oyster sauce, soy sauce, Mirin, vinegar, sambal chili paste, sugar, dash of pepper, and Dashida. We'll cook the chicken first. As you can see, the dark soy sauce adds a nice color, and the cornstarch will help thicken the sauce later. Fry for a couple minutes, then set aside. Start with the aromatics, the whites of the green onion and garlic, and fry for about half a minute. Then all the veggies go in over high heat because we want them firm and crunchy. Then the sauce goes in. Then add the chicken. We're gonna top it off with sesame oil and garnish with green onion. Guys, this is better than any takeout. The veggies are still firm and crunchy, and the chicken is super tender. I'm having this with brown rice. What would you serve this with? Hope you try this recipe for chicken stir fry and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.